How to refund on the Pandabuy. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple, so now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go on your Pandabuy and here you have to open your profile. Now here is the option of your profile. You have to click on it and you have to go on the order. Now here you have to scroll down and you have to go on the orders. Now here you have to select the order that you want to cancel. So once you select your order, you have to click on the cancel and you have to choose the reason. After choosing the reason, you have to confirm your order and you have to click on the OK. Now after cancelling your order, what happens that your refund has been initiated to your Pandabuy and your account balance will be sent to your Pandabuy balance. So I don't make any order yet, so I don't have any option to cancel the order. So that's how you can refund on the Pandabuy. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.